Hi everybody, I'm Lindsay.
Hi, I'm Kim.
We're Jane's daughters. Thank you again for stopping by to watch another tutorial from us. We're really excited about this week's one because we found an amazing product at Aldi. I never would have thought that you could get such amazing craft products or home decor pieces at Aldi, but we did. We hit the jackpot with this. We found these farmhouse baskets, not with the dry foam, but we found these farmhouse baskets they were originally $8.99 and they were on sale for $6.29, correct?
Yes.
So grab these at your local Aldi now so that you can do this tutorial with us, or just find another tobacco basket. If you have one laying around, or if you found one at a yard sale or an antique shop, you can use that as well. They also have the option, which is what I am doing, of two smaller ones. I love that you can do these, and you can do it with this one too, yes. horizontally or vertically. And I'm gonna be crafting with these little guys. You can buy a set of two at Aldi for $6.29 or one big one for $6.29. Super cool. Okay. So what all do we need for this craft project?
The supplies we need are your farmhouse or tobacco basket. We need wire. You need a block of foam, which we cut down to like a 1.5 inch piece. You don't need the whole block for that. So I'm gonna put that away. Scissors, wire cutters, Spanish moss, various greens of your choice. We picked a few flowers that we're going to do to embellish ours, or an optional ribbon. I'm not going to add a ribbon to mine because I picked up this cute home sign at the Dollar Tree, spray painted it white. It comes like this. I got them within this week, so
they're new.
We got home, happy, and family, and I chose to do the home.
I love that these are pre-cut too with holes.
Yeah.
So she's easily going to wire her sign into her farmhouse basket, which would be really cute.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay.
I think first I'm gonna add our foam to the piece. I'm adding mine down a little bit further towards the bottom because I'm going to add my home sign at the top up here.
So I'm just going to add just a little bit of glue right,
and then I'm going to secure it with wire.
Okay.
To give it. And we added our hooks. We added our wire hooks, our hanging hooks to previously before we got started here.
So then we're just going to take our wire and go over the middle of the foam?
Yes.
Is that what we do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you have openings here, you can insert your wire and then twist it and secure it.
In the back.
Yes. Now we're going to take our hot glue and give a nice little coating over all sides, because we're going to add some Spanish moss to cover up our foam and give it a more natural look.
What I like about Spanish moss too is a little goes a long way.
It does.
So you don't need a whole lot to do the job.
And I'm going to go ahead and add my home sign because when I add my flowers, I just want to be sure that I'm not going to cover that up. So you saw that it had the pre-drilled holes. So I'm just going to take small pieces of wire and attach it to my basket. Around, secure it, and fold it down. So there's the home part of it. Okay, So now we're just going to get started and attach some greenery.
Okay.
I'm going to start with mine because I have a wider basket. I have these, they're kind of, I love this foam. This is like a eucalyptus leaf.
Mm-hmm.
And that I'm going to add to give it some width.
So you're just going to add that to the sides?
To the sides,
okay.
Yes.
I'm going to use, is this lamb's ear? Is that what it's called?
Yes,
kind of
I
like a
believe
lamb's
that's
ear.
what they call that, is lamb's ear.
I'm going to add some of this because I really think this is pretty.
I think that has become very popular because it just has a very nice earthy farmhouse.
It really does, and I love the brightness of the green.
Yes.
So I just stuck that in almost kind of to the top corner, and I'm going to work my way down and do the same on the other side, and maybe put some up top as well. This is the part of it where I want to encourage getting creative to do what you want to do, but also teach some strategy because you've been doing this for so long that it's just kind of automatic for you. And I feel like for people like me, it's not.
Well, I added my eucalyptus to give it the width that I wanted. Now I'm going to go in with some lamb's ear as well to add some length.
I've been, as of now, sticking to the 4 corners of the foam, and then I just did the top, kind of working my way around it to see what I like, where I like it.
Yeah.
It's very pretty, very spread out nice.
I filled in with, I just kind of went around. I think I used a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 of, substantial pieces, and then some smaller pieces at the top because I don't want to cover up the home.
Okay, I'm gonna add just a few other greens real quick. This is kind of like a...
I would maybe add them after your flowers.
After my flowers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because then you can kind of, you know what I mean.
Great.
Now, in floral design, it's really good to go in 3s. So I'm going to start with 1 flower up top here. And then I'm going to add another one down below. And then one over here, kind of in a triangular. Oops, that one doesn't want to go in, so we're going to
cut it a little more.
cut it. And kind of the same with you.
Well, if I'm doing a bow, should I do that first or should I do the flowers first?
Do you know what? I would go ahead and add the bow.
Okay.
And then you can work around your bow.
So I already made this bow, and that's what we need to do.
Yes, we do need to do a... Although I love her bows. I've been making bows for 40 years. And I think it's just something, once you learn it, you learn it. But I just love the way you make a bow.
Thanks, Mom.
I just love I love yours so much better than mine.
I don't agree with that, but high praises from this talented woman. I'm going to actually make a bow tutorial and release it the same time I'm releasing this one. So the link will be down below in the description if you want to know how to make a bow. And this, I made a small bow because I have a small basket. We also attached it with wire, a little piece, probably only like 2 inches of a wooden skewer that you can easily break apart. I think we got those at the Dollar Tree, a whole pack of them. So we just attach that. That way it's easy to stick into the foam. I'm just gonna put a little glue at the end and stick it at the bottom. of
Yeah,
my...
now you can work around. Gotcha.
Yep.
Hot glue. Hot glue.
But now I have my pretty bow where I want it, and then I will be able to put my flowers where I want it now that the bow's in there.
And I'm going ahead and add like a little accent flower. This is like a status baby's breath combination. Again, I'm going to go in threes. I'm going to go the opposite direction. And we were talking earlier, like these, like that would look adorable, like in a powder room, or just a small wall.
In an entry or a part of a photo collage.
Yes.
That one's more of a statement piece.
Yes. This could actually be a front door piece.
Definitely. It's thin enough that I think you could put it on a front door. I'm going to add some of these now. These greens
too as well. Just a little bit. So mine will have a total of 3 different greens, where Lindsay's just had 2. And again, I'm just being careful to put it in, give some width, but leave my home sign very visible. I just love these tobacco baskets. And you could, and if this color didn't work for you, you could spray paint it, that linen or white, if that color works more with your decor. See, and how simple is that? Very simple. Very simple. And not a whole lot of supplies either.
Now, how much would you say it might cost to make something like this?
Well, let's just see. This one, the basket was $6.29. The home sign was $1. $7.29. I mean, this one maybe 14.
Okay.
15 tops.
Okay.
And that one, that's about $10 tops.
Yep. To make it all on your own.
Which you can do.
Absolutely, you can. I definitely think this is so doable, and they turned out so pretty. Beautiful farmhouse decor, or just simple colors decor. I love it. Thanks, Mom, for teaching us.
Absolutely.
We'll see you again next week.
Thanks for stopping by.